guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so excited for this video because I'm using the Anastasia Norvina palette again because you guys asked for a different look. But I'm not sure if I like this one. I mean, I do like it, but I like the first one way better than this one. I don't know why. What do you guys think? Like, let me know in the comments. I hope you guys like it. Before I get started, I do have a very special announcement, and I'm so excited I can't hold it in anymore. We're not close to being done, but I mean, I'm excited and I want you guys to know. I just want you in on it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you guys already know what I'm talking about. I am going to start selling merch here on my YouTube channel. You guys will be seeing it soon, so I hope you guys are excited. Let me know what you think about that. Give me any ideas, or you guys do inspire me a lot, and I'm just like so excited. If you're new to my channel and just passing by, please subscribe and be a part of this little family. Give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you are new, and if you don't want to miss any of my videos, which I do upload in English and in Spanish, turn on your post notifications. All right, we're gonna start with I don't know why I said that. With the swatches. By the way, if you haven't seen the first video I created with this palette, make sure you go check it out. I will have the link in the description box. So I want to show you, I have nothing on my finger. I'm just gonna go like right over it twice like that, and I barely touched it. Look how much pigment or eyeshadow I got, and it's very pigmented. So here are the first 7 eyeshadows. These are all from the top row and they're all shimmery. They're beautiful. They don't have a lot of fallouts. They're not chunky. They're very creamy and oh my god, so pigmented. Here are the rest of the shadows, and they're also very pigmented. They're not dry or chalky. They blend out so nice, and they're easy to blend out and buildable. So that way, if you want a very dramatic look, you can deepen up the colors. So 1 out of 10 for the packaging and the formula. I give it a 10. All right, now let's start the video. Okay, now that we're up close and my god, let's get started. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes using this concealer from L'Oreal. I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. Then using this teeny tiny blender from Beauty Blender. It's from their All About Face kit. I'm going to blend out the concealer. Before I set the concealer, I'm going to get the palette and get this shade Dreamer and use that as a highlight for my brow bone. This is such a beautiful shade to use as a highlight so your eyebrows can really stand up. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Then I'm going to take this base eyeshadow to set the concealer. I have to set it so it won't crease. Now using this crease brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, I'm going to go into this eyeshadow here and put that on my crease. I'm using this as a transition shade. So I'm just going back and forth. It's blending out really good. Now I'm going to take this eyeshadow just to kind of deepen up the color on my crease. It helps if I like keep my eye open like this instead of looking down. If I go like this, it's like right in there. So I just go back and forth like that. This one also applies so good. Now I'm going to take a different brush. This one's the Morphe R37, and I'm just going to blend it out better. Now before I apply the shimmery eyeshadow, the purple one right here, you know, well, if you've seen a lot of my videos, you know that I like to use a base under that. So I'm going to be using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to apply that and blend it out with the Real Techniques detailer brush. And I start by applying it right on my eyelid right there. And then to blend it out, I go down like this, just a little bit. You don't want it to be uneven or just like patches of primer all over, because then it's not going to look good when you apply the shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take this A2 flat brush from Anastasia and get some of this purple, very gorgeous shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm going to start by applying it right here on the edge. Look at that. How gorgeous of a pigment this one has. Just getting a little more. Oh man, forgot to put powder under my eyes because then I'm getting some fallout, which a lot of eyeshadows get fallout, and especially shimmery eyeshadows, but this is not that bad. Hold on, let me do that before I continue. Let me just try to take this off first because I already have foundation. Oh my god, it's not going away. And this is something you can do if you already have foundation and you're starting on your eyeshadows. That way if it falls on your under eyes right here, then you can just dust it off, which I forgot to do. I'm gonna take this other gorgeous eyeshadow with the Real Techniques detailer brush and apply that on the inner corner of my eyelid, where I obviously don't have the purple eyeshadow. All right, now we're not done yet. We don't want to leave it like that. I'm gonna go back to this purple shade and I'm gonna put that right on top of the line. That's going to mix those two eyeshadows together, like you can see right here. You see purple and gold. Okay, now I'm gonna get this little brush from Coastal Scents, and I just got a little bit more of the purple eyeshadow to blend out the edges right here, because I don't want the eyeshadow to move up with like way too high. So that's why I'm using this little brush to blend out just the edges. Now using the same brush, I'm gonna bring the same eyeshadow down to my lower lash line. I'm going back to the gold eyeshadow and I'm putting that right here. Now I'm going to apply this Rimmel eyeshadow, or not eyeshadow, eyeliner, and apply it on my waterline. And it glides on so nice, and it's black, like very black. For the mascara, oh, for the eyelashes, I'm wearing Icon. Wow, trust issues from Icon. They are so gorgeous, very dramatic, but I love them. Oh, hold on, let me stop moving so you guys can see them. And if you do too, these are good. All right, the mascara I'll be using is this one from Rimmel, which I also received yesterday. And I'll just be applying this on my lower lashes. All right, you guys, so what do you think? Do you like this look better than the first one, or do you like this one? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'm gonna be giving shout outs to a lot of you. First one, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Rebecca. I don't think I'm gonna pronounce your last name correct. Okay, I'm not even gonna try because I know I'm gonna butcher your last name, but thank you for your support and sweet comments. Natalie Zami, I'm sorry, I don't know if it's Evie or Evie, but thank you for subscribing. I know you said you don't watch a lot of makeup videos, so your comment meant so much to me. Betsy Pimentel from Fresno, California. Paula Ibarra, Rima, thanks for subscribing. Laura Avalar Lopez, thank you for your sweet comment. Rose Villanueva, Rosa Villanueva. Diana Servin, I love you too, girl. That's all of you. Thank you all so much for your love and support. Your sweet comments, they mean so much to me. If you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications and let me know in the comments that you want a shout out. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And you can also leave a comment down below that you're letting me know that you're new so I can give you a shout out. All right, that is it for this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, before I leave, I do want to let you guys know that I will be having a vlog soon, and I'm so excited because I haven't done a vlog in so long. So I'm super excited because this is just going to be me and my husband. We're going to go out to Palm Springs, the Ritz-Carlton, and I'm excited to share this weekend with you guys. Let me know in the comments if you're excited too. All right, gotta go.